now my stomach looks huge. Can you see my baby?
Just your belly?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Switching one more time. My belly looks funky.
Grab that yellow one.
This one?
And maybe hold it and then like look at it.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
What does it look like? Oh, you're actually good at this. I hate sitting up because it makes my stomach all squished. Oh my god. This is hard, babe. Look at my
Don't
stomach.
hold your stomach.
Huh?
Don't hold your stomach.
What, like this?
Bring your stomach up further from the surface. Yeah. Move the camera.
You're my little photographer. Maybe I should go like this more. Does my stomach look weird like that? Hello? Does my arm look out of place?
Hold your stomach. No. With your left arm. Go up higher. Down lower. Right in the middle. Yeah. Put just your face out of the water. Put only your face out of the water.
I've done this with Emma. I look stupid. Does it look stupid?
Not really.
What does it look like?
We'll see.
I'm gonna try this side, maybe. This way.
You look like a model in that. Wait.
You're so
wait.
nice.
Look at the camera.
What else to do?
Maybe put this one in your hair.
Like right here?
Up higher.
Not like that? No? How do I?
Yeah, maybe not.
What about this one? Like that. What if I hold it? Because I don't think it's gonna stay.
Look up and to your left. Up and to your left.
Up into
That way.
my-
No, like almost behind you, kind of.
Hurt my eyes.
Okay, no.
Can you get like down at a more of an angle? Does that make sense? Like almost like you're squatting. There's a whole ass flower in my